Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to unbox the OnePlus Power Bank 10,000 mAh, which is around 1,100 in Amazon, and there is a link in the description in order to order. So let's check the details. So mine is the black one, okay, and it is a 10,000 mAh power. Okay, come on. So let's unbox it and check what are the products and it has inside the box. Let's see. So the OnePlus Power Bank in the packaging. Red cable, okay, so and yeah, this will only be just a waste of time. And if you guys want it, you can just go through this one. Okay, so it tells all the details of the power bank, and we have a C-type USB. Okay, so let's not waste time and directly go to the power bank. How is it? Let's check. Oh, I'm moving the power bank. Oh shit, this is awesome. The back of the OnePlus brand, yeah, it's cool. The design is pretty cool, and I can see the quality is amazing. Like in the budget, this is the best one as per me. It has written as never settle, and there are 3 charging points over there. So just let me put it on. So here's the button on the side, on the right side. So here actually 4 lightning ports, okay, which tells the complete charge, like full charge. If it is full charge, it will show 4, and yeah, we can charge it 2 times. Like if you have an iPhone 11 or OnePlus 18 or any device, it will charge maximum up to 2 times, like from 0 to 100%. Okay, so this was about the OnePlus Power Bank 10,000 mAh. So, yeah, that's all about it. If you have further questions, comment.